5 tips to follow before you get your nose pierced. The first one is about hygiene. Make sure you get yourself to a place that is well reputed, because that can make a lot of difference in terms of infection. The second tip to follow through on that is to make sure your tetanus shots are in order before you go for a nose piercing. The third tip is about the placement of the piercing itself. Sometimes if it is placed too close to the cartilage, that is when we often get to see trouble in terms of a delayed healing or sometimes even a raised scar after. So make sure that your technician knows what he's doing. The fourth is try not to go for a very wide stem. Try to go for as narrow as possible. And once you're comfortable and as the hole becomes patent over a period of time, you can actually upgrade yourself to a thicker one if required. But my long-term advice is ideally go for a small one, a light one, so that it doesn't change the shape of the nose or cause too much drag because of gravity. And if you're somebody that's likely to fidget with it, handle with it, then a nose piercing is not for you, because one of the most important causes for delayed healing or even sometimes side effects, which can be a raised scar, are common in people who handle their piercing a lot, especially in the first few days of the procedure itself. And using a wooden stick to keep the piercing patent is totally not acceptable. That has led to a lot of infections, sometimes even having people undergo plastic surgery to reconstruct the nose from infection because of this. So do be careful. I know this has been followed traditionally, but it's definitely something you should absolutely avoid. Usually post a piercing, you will get prescribed an antibiotic or an antiseptic cream. Just make sure to use it regularly for the first 5 to 6 days till it's completely healed. If in doubt, check with your dermatologist whether you are a suitable candidate for nose piercing in the first place. Say if you have a keloidal tendency or a hypertrophic tendency, you need to check with your dermatologist, get their go ahead, and then proceed to the piercing. I do think that nose piercings look great on people and is a great form of self-expression, but we must take care to do it carefully and correctly. I'll see you soon, and you take care.